Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm here to show you a quick video on how to reinstall or repair new XFINITY window door sensors to your system. So first thing you would do, take the battery out, press the temper button for 3 seconds, then put the battery back in. So now it's in factory mode. Factory reset. As you can see, it's lighting up, so that's how you know it's in factory mode. So then you would just put the case back on. What you would do is press the settings wheel, devices, and instead of your personal home code you would type in 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll bring up this page here, and then you would type in 715782. And hit done. 715782. And then this will come up here. So now you get to get in all in the settings deep into it. So you would click settings, sensor settings, and you would hit add. It's gonna pop up here, locations, locating wireless sensor. You hit next. So this is where it's actually searching for the new sensor. So it's gonna do its thing, search for it. You're gonna see it pop up here. It's discovering. Then once it finally fully discovered, all you have to do is get the
window open.
Get the trip here. You just have to trip it, and that's how you pair it. Click done, and let you know a total of 1 sensor been added. You hit next, and that's how you get all of your sensors added to your XFINITY home system. Go into the setting, you do all the settings, you hit next, and that's how you do that. Hit home, go back, and they have all your settings and everything paired. Thanks for watching.